Hello everyone. This is a 2-minute demo video of our solution for Walmart Sparkathon. We are the LogiGuardians, tech enthusiasts united by a shared mission, using innovation, data, and empathy to solve real-world problems. Together, we're driven to transform how retail supply chains operate by leveraging technology, data insights, and human-centric design. The theme we've chosen is transforming retail supply chains. Today's last-mile delivery systems are under enormous pressure. In fact, studies show that 55% of consumers now expect faster delivery, a number that's rapidly growing. Consumers want deliveries faster and cheaper, but the current infrastructure is struggling to keep up. Research from Capgemini shows that more than half of consumers are dissatisfied due to price, delays, or lack of same-day delivery options. The message is clear. The last mile is failing to deliver on expectations, and something needs to change. There's one risk in logistics that's still largely ignored: delivery vehicle accidents. According to Morth, heavy commercial vehicle accidents increased by 12.8% in 2022. These aren't just statistics. They represent lost lives, delayed deliveries, and increased costs. Despite tools like GPS tracking and route optimization, one critical gap remains: real-time awareness of delivery vehicle safety. When accidents happen, logistics teams are left in the dark. This leads to late deliveries, higher operational costs, and dissatisfied customers. Our problem statement is clear. How can we bring real-time accident visibility and emergency response to the last mile? Why this blind spot must be fixed? Over 55% of consumers say they'd stay loyal to companies that offer 2-hour delivery, but only 19% of businesses can provide it. Fixing this blind spot in last mile safety isn't just about logistics. It's about customer trust and brand reputation. That means there's a real opportunity for retailers to lead the market, not just with faster deliveries, but smarter, safer logistics. The question is, can we deliver speed without compromising safety? Without a system? The answer is yes. The missing link we address: smart accident detection that triggers instant action when seconds count. The ripple effects of late deliveries are massive. Customers get frustrated, operations fall behind, costs rise from missed windows and last-minute rescheduling. Worst of all, repeated delays damage your brand's reputation and lead to lost business opportunities. Many companies already use tools like real-time tracking, weather alerts, and route optimization, but even with these systems, real-time accident detection is still missing. That's where we come in, and our solution helps you protect that trust with reliability and speed. Our strategy is simple yet powerful. Step 1. Each vehicle is registered securely through our app dashboard. Step 2. A camera inside the cabin monitors the driver and road in real time. Step 3. If an AI is detected, our AI immediately triggers alerts. The logistics HQ receives exact location data, and emergency services are auto-notified. Now that you've seen the strategy, it's time to see it in action. We'll walk you through a live demo of our system, where you'll experience how our AI detects accidents, sends instant alerts, and helps logistics teams respond, all in real time. Let's begin the walkthrough.
Welcome to our demo walkthrough. As you can see, here is a location permission. So allow this, and we directly go to our strategy. First thing you have to do is register yourself. So as you can see, Naveen Agarwal as a driver registered in our web app. So here you can also see his profile, vehicle ID, driver ID. Secondly, you have to go on accident monitor, click on activate monitoring button. As you can see, here it is a pop-up asking for camera permissions. So allow this. As you can see, it is perfectly detecting accident frames. So as accident happened, and me as authority received alert on my Gmail. As you can see, with the proper location and timing, I received this Gmail. You can also see the timing. You can see the timing here. I also attached the email on the left hand side. So this is our app and how this is working. And so the tech stack and the contributors. As you can see, me, Aman Singh, and my teammate Naveen Agarwal completed this project. Thank you for watching this, and we hope you like our solution. Thank you very much.